Insignia 42-inch F20 series Smart Full HD Fire TV Review, affordable entertainment for modern living. The Insignia 42-inch Class F20 series Smart TV is a budget-friendly option that packs a punch with its impressive features and smart capabilities. With a full HD 1080p LED display, it delivers clear, vibrant visuals, making it perfect for watching movies, TV shows, and gaming. Its affordable price point ensures accessibility without compromising on quality. What truly sets this TV apart is the built-in Fire TV experience. You gain access to over 1 million streaming movies and TV episodes from popular platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more. Plus, the inclusion of Alexa voice control adds convenience. From switching inputs to launching apps, simply pressing and holding the voice button allows you to control your entertainment seamlessly. For Apple users, the AirPlay feature makes it easy to share photos, videos, and music directly to the TV. Additionally, HDMI ARC compatibility ensures a straightforward setup with soundbars or AV receivers, minimizing cable clutter. While the TV shines in functionality, its build quality reflects its budget nature. It's lightweight, and the remote feels a bit basic. However, these minor drawbacks are easily outweighed by its value-packed features. Pros: affordable price with full HD 1080p resolution. Alexa voice control for hands-free navigation. Built-in Fire TV with access to numerous streaming apps. AirPlay support for Apple devices. HDMI ARC compatibility for better audio setups. Cons: lightweight plastic design. Basic remote construction. Overall, the Insignia 42-inch F20 series TV is an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking modern smart TV features. Whether you're setting it up in a bedroom, guest room, or as a secondary entertainment device, this TV delivers incredible value without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.